Hey guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm going to show you how to make the easiest napkin rings ever. You can find napkin rings at the Dollar Tree. I got a whole bag of these at Goodwill. You can use the wooden ones that you can find at Michael's. Whatever kind of napkin ring base you can get your hands on. And you need ribbon. And you need something to accent it with. And you need a hot glue gun. You can see how the ribbon goes right in the center, and I could have used this or this from the Dollar Tree. Any 5/8 inch ribbon for this will do. But what I'm going to do is put a little dab of hot glue on the end of the ribbon. Because I don't want to glue this to the napkin ring in case I just decide to change it up. Okay, I just glued it to itself. I cut off the excess. And I'm just going to be gluing to the ribbon, not the napkin ring. Now I'm going to look on the little bush that I have, and I'm going to look for a small leaf. And I'm going to cut the stem off. Put a little bit of hot glue on the bottom of this. And this is going to go right over that seam. We get these little berries. And I could put another one going the other way, but it's going to be sitting with a napkin through it this way. So all I'm going to do is add a little bit of glue here. Oh, this glue gun. And press the berries right into the glue. And I'm going to add a little bit more down here. And I'm going to add some more berries to cover the stem area. So both the stems are tucked underneath each other. And that is the easiest napkin ring you can make. You can change this up for different holidays by using different ribbon, different flowers or miniatures. And if you're having a dinner party and you need it for any special occasion, make it yours. And there they are, 4 done in no time. Can you imagine these done in Christmas ribbon with little presents, the little foil presents that you can get almost anywhere? Or how about a jingle bell? These would be good for Thanksgiving. In the Easter time, you can do it all in pastels. Like I said, these are the easiest napkin rings that you can possibly make, and you can customize them to fit any decor, any holiday, any season. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.